Are you suffering from an unsightly and painful eye sty? Don't worry, we've got you covered with some simple yet effective home remedies to tackle this pesky problem naturally. Eye styes, also known as hordeolum, are small, painful lumps that develop on the eyelid due to a blocked oil gland or bacterial infection. While they may seem harmless, they can cause discomfort and even lead to further complications if left untreated. Instead of reaching for over-the-counter medications or harsh chemicals, why not try these gentle and natural home remedies? They're safe, affordable, and can provide relief from the annoying symptoms of an eye sty. Main points. 1. Warm compress. One of the most effective ways to treat an eye sty is by applying a warm compress to the affected area. 1. Here's how you can do it. 1. Soak a clean washcloth in warm water, not too hot to avoid burning your skin. 2. Wring out the excess water. 3. Gently press the warm compress against the sty for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Repeat this process several times a day. The warmth helps to soften the sty, promoting drainage and reducing inflammation. 1. Tea bag. Compressed tea bags contain natural antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can aid in the healing process. 1. Here's how you can use them. 1. Steep a tea bag, black tea or green tea, in hot water for a few minutes. 2. Remove the tea bag and allow it to cool until it's warm, but not hot. 3. Place the warm tea bag directly on the sty for 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Repeat this process twice a day. The tannins present in tea can help reduce swelling and fight off bacteria. 1. Chamomile. Chamomile is a versatile herb with soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. 1. You can use it in 2 ways. 1. Chamomile tea compress. Steep a chamomile tea bag in hot water, let it cool, and use it as a warm compress on the sty. 2. Chamomile essential oil. Dilute a few drops of chamomile essential oil with a carrier oil, like coconut oil, and gently dab it on the sty. 1. Breast milk. Yes, you read that right. Breast milk contains antibodies and antimicrobial properties that can help fight off infections. 1. If you're a nursing mother or have access to breast milk, you can use it as a natural treatment for eye styes. 1. Soak a clean cotton ball in breast milk. 2. Gently hold the cotton ball against the sty for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Repeat this process twice a day. 1. Proper hygiene. Maintaining good hygiene is crucial when dealing with eye styes. 1. Here are some tips. 1. Wash your hands regularly with soap and water. 2. Avoid touching or rubbing the affected area. 3. Clean your eyelids daily with a gentle cleanser. 4. Replace your eye makeup and discard any contaminated products. Remember, if the sty persists or worsens, or if you experience severe pain, vision problems or fever, seek medical attention immediately. With these natural and easy-to-follow home remedies, you can bid farewell to that pesky eye sty and embrace a healthier, more comfortable eye area. Give them a try and let us know which one worked best for you.